You've got this. I trust you. This is awesome. Let's see that confidence. I believe in you. I know you can do this. I believe in you.
Srimate Ramanujaya Namaha. I have been an entrepreneur for 11 years now, and it is very clear to me today that the only thing that I perhaps have done on my own was to somehow find the crazy courage to quit my very comfortable day job 11 years ago and decide to strike out on my own. From that day onwards, I have only depended upon others to believe in me, to take a chance on our vision, and to support us every bit of the journey. In my entrepreneurial journey, the most important person who took a chance on me at first was, of course, my partner and my co-founder. She believed in my vision, she believed in my abilities to get this done, and of course, she believed in our partnership. And without that, this company wouldn't be there today, and I wouldn't be making this video today. And since that day, we've had several people rooting for us. The very first raw material supplier who took a chance on us, the very first bank that took a chance on us, the very first packaging material took a chance on us, and the very first e-commerce logistics partner who took a chance on us. Because to get this, when we were a company that had just started with a product idea and nothing really to show in terms of sales, we were rejected many times by many companies who did not want to work with an unknown entity. But after persisting and after several meetings, someone decided to take a chance on us because they saw something in us, they saw something in our vision, they saw something in our presentation. And of course, no entrepreneurial dream can be complete without consumers who believe in this journey and are willing to put their dollar and put their rupee behind our products. Without the support and the love of thousands of consumers over the last 11 years who believed in what Kriya has to say, we wouldn't be here and this journey would not have been possible. So a large number of people decided to take a chance on us, to believe in what we do and support us, and that's how every journey gets made. And this is true for all of us in whatever endeavors that we do. And this is true even of great heroes who are born with great strengths and great qualities. To put this in context, in the Srimad Valmiki Ramayana, in the very last chapter of the Kishkinda Kanda, at the edge of the tip of India, the army of Vanaras and bears are slightly dejected. They are trying to find one warrior who's strong enough and who has the ability to jump across the ocean to Lanka and to check whether Mother Sita is there and to continue the rescue operations. So they look for wise counsel, and the oldest among them, Sri Jambavan, looks at Anjaneya, who's sitting in a corner as if nothing is happening and minding his own business. Then he tells Angad, the leader of the army at that point in time, I think this is the right warrior for the mission and let me go and motivate him. He then goes to Lord Hanuman and says, look, you were born in a special way, you were given certain special gifts, Vayu Bhagavan and Lord Brahma have given you special boons. You actually don't know your own strengths, but I know the feats that you accomplished as a baby when you tried to leap towards the sun and you got hurt and you therefore got this name called Hanuman. And then he tells him, you're the man for this job, I know you can do this. And then Lord Hanuman, who's blessed with the powers of Anima and Mahima, immediately takes upon this giant form, the Mahima form, and then invigorates the whole army with his gigantic form. And then, of course, we know he leaps across the ocean and completes the mission that he was sent for. So even in the case of a great hero like Hanuman, sometimes he's just sitting in a corner minding his own business, not realizing his own strength until somebody like Sri Jambavan who comes in and champions his cause and reminds him of what he is capable of. And that's true for all of us. Sometimes, in order for us to take a lead, all we need is for someone to hold a mirror to us, to show us our strengths and to remind ourselves of our true capabilities. So in this video, I would like to request you to look around in your life, in your family, in your work, to see if there is someone who needs inspiration, for whom you can be that person who holds a mirror to them and reminds them that you believe in them and they are capable of taking the lead. Mangalam Kosalendraya, Mahaniya Gunabhaye, Chakravarti Tanujaya, Sarvabhauma Mangalam. Thank you for watching this video.